Meaning of emergency room.
Emergency room.
Emergency room.
Emergency room.
Emergency room. An emergency room, often referred to as an ER, is a medical treatment facility that provides immediate care for people facing life-threatening conditions. Patients are triaged upon arrival based on the severity of their condition and treated accordingly. The types of medical emergencies that may be treated in an ER range from heart attacks and strokes to trauma injuries and severe allergic reactions. ERs are typically found in hospitals and staffed by medical professionals trained to handle urgent medical situations, such as emergency physicians, nurses, and technicians.